Hi everyone. Today we're going to work on sight words once again. So I'll point to the word and then you say the word out loud and I'll give you a second or two before I say the word. So if you're still learning, not to worry, nothing to worry about. Just say the word pass or wait for me to say the word. Here we go. Word, but, not, what, all. Were, we, when, your, can. Said, their, use, an, each. You're doing great. Next set. Which, she, do, how, their. If, will, up, other, about, about. Last row. Out, many, then, them, these. Well done. Those are 30 words. All right. We'll see you next time. Have a good day, everyone.